time. Can't remember what if the picture.
I got this light for my partner.
We've been laying here since 4 a.m. and you haven't said a word to me. Silent treatment, is this what it?
My partner gifted me this.
I've been looking for the right way to tell you you're everything. Even when I didn't know you, I wished for all I see. It's more than enough. That I had, but you don't. It's so strange.
Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. It's been a minute. I can't remember the last time I picked up my phone to vlog properly, but we are back and better this time. Yeah. So I'm about to head out to the salon to retouch my hair and either weave it or do a ponytail. Also, I want to show you guys something really cute. Sorry. The last time I went to the salon, I bought these two cute lip oils. This one is strawberry honey oil and this one is a magic lip oil. These are from Kiss Beauty and they're so cute. The packaging alone made me buy them. They're so cute and Gary. Yeah, so let me stop talking and show you guys my full outfit before I head out. Okay. I'm so happy to be back. So my top is from Shein, my denim skirt is thrifted, and my bag is from Temu, and my slippers too is from Temu. Yes. Guys, I don't know if I should change this top because you know it's too delivering. I don't know, but I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do, but I'm not going there to bend. I'm not going there to bend. Oh my god, I don't know what to do and I'm running late. What should I do? I think this is more better. What do you think? uh yeah, yeah.
Come and take a walk with me. Challenge your wildest dreams. No more fear. Follow that shining star. Come with an open.
So this two package came in 2 days ago. Yeah, and this big ass one came in today. These are from Temu. Yeah, so I want to do like unboxing to show you guys everything I got. Also, I have another coming in, another package coming in today. I don't know. I think I'll just wait and show you guys everything once. Yeah, what do you think? Ah, I have a lot. I have a lot to do today, but I don't feel like doing anything. Yeah, guys, I'm always buying things from Temu, and it's not nice. It's nice, and I'm not stopping anytime soon. Don't mind me, guys. Don't mind me. But I feel like Temu has a lot of nice things. Yeah, yeah. So I'll talk to you guys later. Okay. Good morning, guys. Today is what? Today is Tuesday, and I'm going out. Hi, my loves. I want to show you guys everything I got from Temu and my gifts. I'm so excited about this one. I'm super excited about this one, and I can't wait to show you guys. Yeah, yeah. So we're starting with this. Yeah, we're starting with this. So I don't know what. Okay, okay. Yeah, I got this smart smart glasses. Yeah. Okay. Oh my god, this is so cute. This is so cute. Okay. This is a bit. Oh my god, why is it falling off? I don't know. I don't know. So it has this cane. Okay, this is the camera in this. I'm going to figure out how to use this. It's even big, like it's a bit bigger for me. I don't know. Oh yeah, I got this one for my partner. Yeah, this is for my partner, and it's so cute. It's so cute. Then another one. This is for me. I got this for myself. I got this cute bag, cute small bag. Oh, this is so fine. But the bag is small. This is so fine. Yeah, I got this silicone swim cap. Yeah, for swimming. Then what's okay, yeah, this is for swimming too. This is for swimming too. What's this last one? This one. So this is Crocs. This is for my partner. I got this for him. Yeah, this is so cute. This is so cute. I got this in size 45. I hope this will size him all. I just hope so. Then, oh god, oh my god, I love this. I love this. I love this. I also got this for him. This is so cute, guys. What do you think? This is so fine. It's so pretty. I got this in size 46. Yeah. Then I got this shoe. I got this shoe for myself. So the last time I ordered things from Temu, I bought this shoe in size 38, 37, but it was a bit tight for me, so this time around I got it in 38. Yeah, this is so cute and I love it. I got a face cap. This is face cap. Yeah. I got this cap for myself, guys. I don't I don't know what is going on with this. So oh my god. I don't know. I can't. I look so funny. Yeah, this is another cap. I think I ordered a lot of caps. Oh, this is so cute. I love this one. This is so cute. Then I got this slide for my partner too. Yeah, we gift each other a lot, so I got this for him. This is so cute. I got this in size 45. I got this bath towel. Yeah, this is so fine and it's big. It's big. Oh, I love this one, guys. I ordered a lot of caps. Oh my god, the color of this is so cute, so fine. I love this one. I got another cap. Stephanie. Okay, this and this is the same thing but different colors. Well, I feel like the black one, this one is better. Yeah, I don't know what made me buy these caps for. I don't know. My partner gifted me this. Like I said before, we gift each other a whole lot. So he got me some perfumes and body mix. Yeah, so he got me this. He got me this comb. It's cute. So next is this body mist, Cappadocia. I don't know if I got that right. Yeah, so let's see. This smells so good. Oh my god. This is so nice. This is from Harin, Istanbul. Oh, then another body mix, Zanzibar. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. This is so nice. Smells so good. Oh, wow. Yeah. Yeah, let's try this one. Oh my god, this is so nice. And my perfume. Oh my god. VD perfume. Okay, so this is how it is. Yep, so it came like this. I don't know if you guys can see it. This is VD. I think this is a Latin word. Vini, Vidi, Vici. Oh my god. This is so nice. I love. This is so nice, guys. Oh, I want to cry. I want to cry, guys. I love my gifts. I love my gifts. Oh, this man. That's all, guys. That's all.
Neon glow.